Hi kids! This is Teacher Rose. Welcome to my mathematics class, wherein mathematics allows you to think more than what you have.
Our lesson today is about finding the common multiples and least common multiple or LCM of 2 to 4 numbers using continuous division.
Let us define these terms. Common multiples is a number that is a multiple of all the numbers in a given set. LCM or least common multiple is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers. Let us do this activity. Let us list the multiples of the given numbers. In 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and 36. And in 10, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So look at the multiples of 6 and 10. What is the smallest common? Yes, it's 30. And number 2, we have 10 and 20. In 10, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. And in 20, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120. So what is the smallest common in these multiples of 10 and 20? Yes, it is 20. Let us move to 9 and 12. In 9, we have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, and 54. And in 12, we have 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, and 72. So what is the smallest common in these multiples? Yes, it's 36. Let us move to 8 and 40. So in 8, the multiples are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and 48. And in 40, we have 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, and 240. So what is the smallest common in these multiples of 8 and 40? Yes, it's 40. So 30, 20, 36, and 40 is called LCM. And we got this using listing. In our lesson today, we don't need to use listing. We are going to find the common multiples and least common multiple or LCM of 2 to 4 numbers using continuous division. Let us use 6 and 10. These are whole numbers. So first, write the inverted symbol of division. Then, think about the number that we can divide 6 and 10. Remember, 1 is not included. Yes, we can use 2. So, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So our quotient is 3 and 5. So we cannot divide this by any number except 1. So these are our final quotient. The divisor 2 and a quotient 3 and 5 will be multiplied. So, 2 times 3 equals 6 times 5 equals 30. So, meaning 30 is the least common multiple of 6 and 10. Did you understand? This time, let us use 10 and 20. So think about the smallest number that we can divide 10 and 20. Remember, 1 is not included. And we can use 2. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So our quotient is 5 and 10. Can we divide this by another number except 1? Yes, we can divide this by 5. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Then 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So our quotient is 1 and 2. This time, our divisor is 2 and 5. So the 2 and 5 and the quotient 1 and 2 will be multiplied. So 2 times 5 equals 10, times 1 equals 10, times 2 equals 20. So 20 is the least common multiple of 10 and 20. See? It is so easy. This time, let us use 4 numbers: 8, 40, 20, and 10. So let us divide this by another number. What do you think is the divisor for these 4 numbers? We can use 2. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 40 divided by 2 equals 20. So 20 divided by 2 equals 10. And 10 divided by 2 equals 5. So our quotient is 4, 20, 10, and 5. Let us divide this by another number. What do you think is the divisor for these numbers? Let us use 5. So 4 divided by 5 cannot be because 4 is not divisible by 5. In that case, if we cannot divide the number by a given divisor, you are going to copy the number and bring it down. So, move to the next number. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. And 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Then, the quotients 4, 4, 2, and 1 can be divided by, yes, it can be divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And 2 divided by 2 equals 1. And 1 divided by 2 cannot be, so we need to copy this and bring it down. Then our quotient is 2, 2, 1, and 1. Can we divide this by another number? Yes, we can use 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 divided by 2 cannot be, so bring it down. Then 1 divided by 2 cannot be divided, so bring it down. So our quotient is 1, 1, 1, and 1. Then we use 4 divisors, 2, 5, 2, 2. Then 1, 1, 1, 1 will be multiplied. So 2 times 5 equals 10, times 2 equals 20, times 2 equals 40, times 1 equals 40, times 1 equals 40, and so on. So 40 is the LCM of 8, 40, 20, and
Based
10.
on the given examples,
To find the common multiples and least common multiple or LCM of 2 to 4 numbers using continuous division, follow these steps. Number 1, write the number horizontally and find a number that will divide the numbers if possible. Number 2, Divide the number and write the quotients below the dividends. Then, number 3, continue the process until no two numbers have a common divisor. And finally, multiply all the divisors and the last set of quotients to get the LCM. This time, get your ball pen and paper and answer this activity. Directions: using continuous division, find the LCM or least common multiple of the given numbers. Go! Let us check your answer. So, the LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. Number 2, 5, 10, and 30. Go! Let us check your answer. So, the LCM of 5, 10, and 30 is 30. Number 3, 10, 14, and 6. Let us check your answer. The LCM of 10, 14, and 6 is 210. Number 4, 12, 15, and 20. Go! We use 5 as the divisor for these three numbers. So 12 divided by 5 cannot be. So bring down the 12. Then 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. So our quotient is 12, 3, and 4. So divide it by 2. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. 3 divided by 2 cannot be divided again, so bring it down. Then 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Then 6, 3, and 2 can be divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Then 3 divided by 2 cannot be again, so bring down. Then 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So 3, 3, and 1 can be divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1, 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 1 divided by 3 cannot be, so bring down. So 5, 2, 2, and 3 are our divisors, and 1, 1, 1 in our quotient. So what do we need to do is 5 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 1 times 1 times 1, and it is 60. So meaning 60 is the LCM of 12, 15, and 20. Number 5, 6, 4, 9, and 30. Go! So the LCM of 6, 4, 9, and 30 is 180. How is your score? Remember, common multiples is a number that is a multiple of all the numbers of a given set. And LCM, or least common multiple, is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers, and continuous division is one way to find it. This time, you are going to find the LCM, or least common multiple, of a given numbers using continuous division. We have 5 items, and you may start now. Kids, you can do it! Let us check. Number 1, the LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Number 2, the LCM of 6, 20, and 30 is 60. Number 3, the LCM of 20 and 30 is 60 also. Number 4, 21, 3, 7, and 14, the LCM is 42. And number 5, 100, 5, 10, and 50, the LCM is 100. How's your score? Hi kids! I hope you have learned a lot. Bye!